The Tales of the Great Southern Railway, Season 1, Episode 3, Jobs Aplenty. It was a beautiful day at the GSR. Connor, Johnny, and Jason were talking about something. Can you believe it, guys? We finally got void stock. Now we can actually do some work. Aye, you're right, lad, said Connor. Well, my jobs are going to be dirty, said Johnny. What do you mean by that, Johnny? Said Connor. Well, they extended the line to a quarry, and Mr. O'Coley has decided to give me a job at the quarry, which is the most dirtiest place. Lad, you acted like James from Soda, said Connor. To be honest, my cousin James does hate dirty jobs. So I mean, I guess they have something in common. They don't like dirty jobs, said Jason. And heck, me and Carter got the easiest jobs. Carter gets to take the post train, while I get to take passengers around the island. Might even extend my lines at a quarry. With that, Johnny puffed off to do his job. Just look at him with that truck. As Johnny arrived at the quarry, he saw a sign. There's two warning signs between the words. Quarry Zone, Deep Dig. Well, this doesn't even look like a quarry. Literally, I mean, quarries are supposed to have, like, rocky walls and stuff. And look at this. What it is just rails and flocks and... Who is that dude? Guess it's better if I find out, said Johnny as he puffed along the rails. Soon he arrived with his load of rocks. Great job, Johnny! Come back to unload more rocks. See you later, Great Western. Well, I mean, I guess that dude isn't so bad. What's your name, big guy? Oh, the name's Johnny. What's yours? Well, my name is Quarry Joe. Quarry Joe? Doesn't sound like a bad name. And with that, Johnny puffed back to the sheds. And that night, Jason had to stop at Wellsford Harbour for some passengers to go to the museum. Well, this job is perfect. Now, let's go.